Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's episode, it is a fine little Wednesday morning. So what else do you do but go to the beach? We are at Pass-A-Grille today, and it's looking like it's kind of lonely. A lot of parking spots open all the way down there. Look at that, calm. Got the snorkel stuff. Got the new Action Cam in the mail yesterday, so got that bad boy. Gonna take it out in the water, see if there's anything to see. Post a little bit of that footage probably. Quiet, 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 quiet. Love it. Love it.
You always want what you can't have, and what you have you can. But still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do you know how you
When I
All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. We are just getting back to the pier. Sounds like people actually work around here. It was a good day. I kind of like the mornings at the beach, and I think we're gonna have to make this a little bit more regular. The water was amazing. It's calm. Of course, the dolphins I think I like a little more, according to, what would you be at, a water dolphin specialist?
I am. I'm a weather specialist, a dolphin specialist.
Yeah.
You know.
So if you need anything really, just send Stace a message. She'll give you an answer for it. But do us a favor.
Be blocked and unfriended.
Yeah, exactly. Do us a favor. If you're new here, definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we put up new videos. Drop us a comment of, let's see, how about your favorite beach and favorite time to go? And give us a big old like, and we will see you in the next video.